How to delete your Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the way on how you can delete your Amazon account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Amazon account, the process is fairly simple. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Amazon application. Once you launch the Amazon app, you will see this kind of interface. And you have to tap on the profile icon from the bottom of the screen. And as you tap on the profile icon, just tap on the option that says your account at the very top. Once you tap on the your account button over here, you'll see all these sorts of various options, but you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen, and under data and privacy you'll find this little button that says close your Amazon account. And in order to delete our Amazon account, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the button that says close your Amazon account, and as soon as you've done that, it'll give you all this type of information such as what you're going to lose if you delete your Amazon account. If you have your Prime Video subscription related to Amazon, that's going to delete. If you have Amazon Pay, you have Amazon AWS, you have Amazon Seller account as well, all of it is going to be deleted. So you just have to keep that in mind. Once you're sure of all this, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the option that says yes, I want to permanently delete, and check the box and tap on the close my account button over here. If you want, you can actually select a reason, but that's really optional, and just tap on the close my account button at the bottom of the screen. And once you do so, confirmation required. So you will receive a confirmation link via email or text message to verify your request to close your Amazon account. Please note that this link will expire in 5 days, so you just have to go ahead and then actually verify with the link. So if you have your account connected to you, just go ahead and select it up, and then just go to the all inboxes section. Once I go to the all inboxes section, just verify. If you receive a code from Amazon, then you just have to go ahead and tap on that link in order to go ahead and then actually delete your Amazon account. That's all it takes to delete your Amazon account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.